Hi there, this video is about a new resource I have available. It's this book. It is Ukulele Chord Melody Traditional Hymns for GCEA and DGBE ukulele. This is the result of many hours of work in the past months to change this book into this book, and you can see the size difference in it. Chord melody is a way to play an ukulele in such a way that you play the melody and harmony at the same time. So you're playing the melody and chords at the same time. Sometimes you're playing just one string, sometimes you're playing two strings, three strings, or a full chord. And ultimately the last string that you hit ends up sounding like the melody. So it's a little bit of an oral illusion if you want to think of it that way. Ultimately, these songs can be played a number of ways. They can be played by Baritone DGBE ukulele. They can be played by GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Whether or not the instruments are in high G or high D tuning or low D tuning, either way it's going to work because the melody stays on the top three strings in my arrangements. One other feature of my chord melodies is that if you play the last note or the highest note at any time, that's also going to be the melody of the song. So you could just play the melody instead of the chord melody along with the singing part. Also in this book is an index of songs by key, if you want to challenge yourself by key. Also a list of index by difficulty. And what is new in this book, in addition to some layout things, I'll talk about those in a second, is also a video link for every song. So there's a tutorial and a demonstration. The demonstration is just my playing. Sometimes my playing is not perfect. That's okay. I wanted a demonstration for people and a tutorial on how to play the songs. The songs themselves now have a couple of things. First of all, they do have the melody written out, so you can play the melody along with the chord melody or sing along with it. And it also has the lyrics, or the most common lyrics for those hymns. And it also has some AI generated images throughout the book where needed. Now, this book is not necessarily just in print. It is in print directly from Amazon, so you can look up Ukulele Chord Melody Traditional Hymns for GCE and DGBE ukulele and find it. But it's also for sale in digital format at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you buy it there, you also get an EPUB version as well as a PDF, a compressed PDF, and then also files that are formatted for the apps Fourscore and Mobile Sheets. If you use a tablet, you can just import those files and all the songs are already separated by title. Then in addition to buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, you can also find it at Apple Books and on Amazon Kindle, as well as in print from Amazon. I also just wanted to take a second and mention that I also have my large book of Christmas chord melodies available as well. And again, those are also available digitally in the same places. And then one other book that I do have for sale. This is Ukulele for Beginners. This is a course I created for the Silver Creek International Ukulele Carnival, which is held in Two Harbors, Minnesota in August. But this book can be used by anyone. There are links to YouTube videos that you can play along with, as well as all the main content that I teach in my Ukulele Beginner course. This book is available for purchase at Amazon as well. So that's it. Quick update on some new materials that are available for me. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.